It is said that during a 30-minute session of active sex, an average person is said to burn approximately 200 calories. Repeating something is actually said to physically change your brain due to the connections that are made between brain cells, and those are new connections. Human attention span is said to be very vulnerable as it maxes out at approximately 10 minutes, and if you go over that, you will tend to revert to daydreaming. The maximum number of friendships or any close relationship that you can maintain at a time is between 50 to 150. Although it is seen that girl talk helps women to form much closer bonds, but at the same time it is also seen that it increases depression and anxiety. Around 17% of people regret having a tattoo on their body, according to a New York Times study. Teenage girls who are antisocial or unpopular are said to be 70% more likely to put on weight as compared to other popular or social girls. According to a recent study that was conducted at Johns Hopkins University, it was found that the fact that you yawn for your brain to get more oxygen is actually untrue. Rather, the fact is that it is done to cool your brain down. Now, this is really an interesting fact. It is observed that people on average earn somewhere between $200 to $600 more per IQ point, but at the same time it is also seen that the lower the IQ of an individual, the more sensibly an individual spends their money. In one of the reports published in the Discover magazine, it is shown how people in a 7-year study who ate seafood at least one time every week had a 30% lower occurrence of dementia. Taxi drivers in London, who actually need to remember almost every street addresses in London, is said to have an enlarged hippocampus, which actually suggests that this area grows as you memorize more and more information. It is observed that number 13 is considered unlucky by a large number of people, and there is also actually a phobia that's named behind this psychology. Also, according to a Gallup survey, 1 out of every 10 person is said to be superstitious about this particular number. Now, coming to the last fact of the video, according to a large number of researchers, skin is actually considered to be the largest sex organ and the brain to be the most powerful one. So guys, this was it for today. For more such stunning psychological facts, don't forget to subscribe to Psychademy.